Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to boost your financial game from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Because in this video, I will share with you an amazing platform where you can earn money from comfort of your home just by completing small surveys. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Now let's jump right in. So this amazing platform is Ysense.com. For those who might be new here, Ysense is an online platform that offers various ways to earn money. From completing surveys to participating in offers, Ysense provides opportunities for users to put their time and skills to good use. The link of this platform is given in description box below. Signing up with that link will increase your bonus earnings. So now let's break down some effective strategies to maximize your earnings on Ysense. First up, surveys. Ysense is known for its wide range of surveys that cater to different demographics. To make the most out of this, be sure to fill out your profile accurately. The more information Ysense has about you, the more relevant surveys you will receive. Here is a pro tip. Check the site regularly for new survey opportunities and complete them promptly for higher rewards. Next, let's talk about offer walls and tasks. Ysense collaborates with various advertisers providing you with tasks and offers to complete. Whether it's signing up for a free trial, downloading an app, or watching videos, these tasks can add up quickly. Keep an eye on the offers section for these opportunities and choose ones that align with your interests and preferences. Now here is a golden opportunity, the Ysense Referral Program. By referring friends and family to Ysense, you can earn a commission on their earnings. Share your referral link on social media, blogs, or even through email. The more active referrals you have, the more you stand to earn. It's a win-win situation. Don't overlook the daily checklist bonus. Ysense rewards users who complete a set of daily tasks with an additional bonus. It's a simple way to boost your earnings consistently. Make it a habit to check off these tasks every day and watch your income grow. So this is a comprehensive guide on how to make money with Ysense. So sign up today and start earning money using link given in description box below, as it will increase your bonus earnings. Remember, patience and consistency are key in the world of online earning. Experiment with different strategies, find what works best for you, and watch your income stream grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. See you in the next video.